At LabLab, we are testing the Dreame X60 Pro Ultra, and we will tell you honestly what we think of it. And if this product interests you, know that we have placed a link with its best price right below the video. This robot vacuum cleaner measures 35 centimeters in diameter and is less than 8 centimeters high, which is extremely thin. Thanks to this, and because its LiDAR tower retracts, it was able to pass under low furniture and radiators during our tests. On the other hand, its station is very massive. To find its way around space, the robot has 2 front cameras, proactive light detection via blue light, and a built-in lamp to illuminate dark areas. Among its components ensuring suction, there is a side brush that can offset up to 12 centimeters and a roller brush. And for cleaning, its high-density microfiber mop pads can also extend up to 18 centimeters. This is the widest range of any robot vacuum we have tested. This allows the X60 Pro Ultra to really go clean in corners, along baseboards and furniture legs. These mop pads, which install and uninstall automatically in the station, can also be raised by 21 millimeters to protect carpets from moisture. Many replacement accessories are provided in the box. There is also a bottle of cleaning solution. After vacuuming, the robot automatically empties its dust container into the station's bag, which has a capacity of 3 liters. Thanks to this large volume, there is no need to change it too regularly. Moreover, the station renews the robot's water using 3 tanks, namely one for clean water of 4.2 liters, one for dirty water of 3 liters, and a final one for the cleaning solution. It also washes the roller when the robot returns to it. Washing is done with hot water at 100 degrees, and drying is also with hot air at 45 degrees. During our tests, despite these impressive temperatures, we noticed that the mop pads were not perfectly clean after the washing process. Let's now move on to the features. The X60 Pro Ultra connects to the Dreame Home application via Wi-Fi. This application lacks a bit of intuitiveness in our opinion, as it is so full of menus and options. Directly on the screen, you can track the robot, the cleaning time, and the battery life. The mapping is also ultra-complete and can be modified in 2D or 3D. You can absolutely customize everything: divide rooms, adjust the type of floor, and even indicate the presence of carpets, curtains, or thresholds. On the cleaning side, you can adjust the power and water flow to the millimeter, even though we regret not being able to program several consecutive passes. There is also the Clean Genius mode, which automatically selects the best cleaning mode according to the layout of the rooms and their dirt level. The app being very complete, many other parameters are accessible, including cleaning programming, camera settings, etc. Finally, in addition to being compatible with Gemini, Alexa, and Siri voice assistants, this robot also has its own assistant, which is activated by saying "OK Dreame." Now for the concrete part with our performance tests. When using this robot, we found its navigation to be precise and methodical. To test its obstacle detection, we placed a lot of them in an area of 12 square meters. The robot perfectly handled avoiding the bag, the plant, the stuffed rabbit, and the ball. And regarding the legs of our chair, it got stuck less than other models. On the other hand, it went so close to the shoe that it touched it. As for the fake dog poop, it completely dragged it along its path. We also tested its cliff detection above a staircase and a 7.5 centimeters threshold, and it indeed did not fall in any case. Next, we wanted to verify the brand's promises regarding crossing 5.2 centimeters thresholds. And even if it took some time, the robot did indeed climb up by hoisting itself on its mechanical arms. It is almost a first in the history of our tests. We continued with our suction performance test. For this, we spread a series of dirt in a closed area of 3 square meters. Thanks to its impressive power of 42,000 pascals, it did well on hard floors with the beads and the salt. It just had a little more trouble handling the tufts of hair because one remained on the floor. Note that none of the tufts got tangled around the brush, which shows that its anti-tangle system is effective. On carpets, the overall performance was also good. The fact that it only forgot 1 bead is exceptional, and although it only harvested half of the salt, it is by far our most difficult test. As for the tufts of hair, it had a harder time spotting them, perhaps because their color was close to that of the carpet. Then, to test the mopping performance, we made mud, soda, and coffee stains that we let dry. The robot was set to vacuum and mop mode, with all parameters set to maximum. We also added the universal cleaning solution from our sponsor Lavaspi, the Clean 1304. It is made in France and ultra concentrated, so a single 1-liter bottle gives you 50 liters of product. Its formula does not foam, which prevents corrosion of the robot, and it is totally safe for pets. It's really the best to boost the washing with a super fresh scent as a bonus. In case you are interested, you will find its link under the video. Overall, the X60 Pro Ultra highly impressed us. The soda was eliminated without difficulty, and it quickly removed the mud stains except for those deeply embedded in the linoleum grooves. The dried coffee gave it a harder time, especially for the dark marks. After a first pass, thanks to its blue light, it detected that the stain had not been completely cleaned, and it went back over the area on its own, leaving an almost perfect result. This is therefore a truly useful innovation of this robot. When its blue light detects potential liquids, it cuts the suction and switches to a targeted intensive mopping mode. To protect carpets in cleaning mode, we found that the lifting was insufficient and that the mop pads rubbed against the fabric. We therefore recommend choosing the option to remove the mop pad in the application for better carpet management. Finally, regarding the operating noise, in silent mode it emitted 57 decibels, and in Max Plus it went up to 72 decibels. It should be noted that this robot is a little louder than others, without being excessive. This is undoubtedly due to its high power. On the station side, emptying emitted a maximum of 70 decibels. As for washing the mop pads, it only goes up to 61 decibels. Let's finish this test by evaluating the battery life. The X60 Pro Ultra has a large 5,800 mAh battery. In the event of a low battery, it automatically returns to its station to recharge and resumes its task where it left off. Thanks to its fast charging function, it is able to recover 24% of battery in less than 6 minutes. The full recharge time is also impressive, only 3 hours. So to sum it all up, the negative points of the Dreame X60 Pro Ultra are the lifting of the mop pads, which was insufficient to protect our carpet, and the fact that it failed our fake poop avoidance test. As for the positive points, its very good navigation, its exceptional performance, particularly for mopping, its excellent battery life and fast charging function, its 5 cm threshold crossing which really works, the far extension of its brush and mop pads, and the numerous replacement accessories provided in its box. Thank you for watching our test. As a reminder, you will find the link to this product with its best price right below the video.